Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In today's video tutorial, you will learn how to easily add text to a PDF file and upload it to Dropbox using PDF.co and Zapier. We have provided a link to the full tutorial in the description box below. Be sure to visit PDF.co for more information. We will use this sample PDF document to demonstrate how to add text to it and then upload the modified file to Dropbox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app from the list of available options. You can also choose other cloud storage apps to store your file, depending on your preference and requirements. Then select the New File in Folder option to trigger whenever a new file is added to a specific folder in your Google Drive. Now, connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. It will authorize Zapier to access your account and retrieve files from your Google Drive. Let's set up the trigger configuration. First, select My Google Drive to specify the drive you want to use for this Zap. Next, choose the specific folder in your Google Drive where the file you want to modify is stored. Once you have set up the trigger, test it to ensure that everything is working correctly without any errors. Now that the trigger test was successful and the file was retrieved from Google Drive, let's add another app to add text to the PDF document and upload it to Dropbox. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app. And choose the PDF filler option to add text to a PDF document. Now, connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, enter the input file to be processed in the source PDF field. Next, specify the X and Y coordinates of the PDF document where you want to add the text, along with the page range. Additionally, enter the text you want to add, along with the desired font size and font name. This information will allow PDF.co to accurately place the text in the PDF document according to your specifications. You can easily get the coordinates using the PDF.co PDF Edit Add Helper tool. We provide a link in the description box below. Then type in your desired output file name for the processed PDF file. After setting up the configuration, test the action to see the result. The test was successful and returned a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. We have successfully added text to the specific area of the PDF document. Now, let's move on to adding another app and uploading the file to Dropbox. In this step, we will add the Dropbox app. And choose the Upload File option to upload the file to a designated Dropbox folder. Let's set up the Dropbox configuration. First, enter the name of the Dropbox folder where you want to upload the file. Next, input the file URL from PDF.co's response. Then provide the desired output file name. Lastly, specify the file extension for the output file. Since we're done setting up the configuration, test the action to upload the file to Dropbox folder. The file has been successfully uploaded to the Dropbox folder. Let's now navigate to the Dropbox folder to verify the uploaded file. Here is the file that we successfully uploaded to Dropbox. We have a wide range of available tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.